Sure, sure. Yeah, hi guys. So last class we discussed the list and tuple. Okay. So today we are go to the sets. So in sets in the Python is a built-in collection data type. So it store the multiple values in a single variable and it is an order and it is no fixed index or position like that. Okay, and it contains the unique elements only. It does not allow the duplicates. So it is a mutable. We can add remove elements, but it must be immutable like numbers or strings or tuples like. Okay, so in these sets we can create a using curly brackets. Okay, share the screen. So we can create the sets using the like curly brackets. Okay, or you can write the set of like this. Okay, so this is the it indicates the sets. Okay, so here where to use these sets we can use when you need the unique items only. Example in like emails or storing the employee IDs or like that. Okay, so then here when you want to find the common items between two groups, like share if shared friends in the social media like that. Okay, so then when we need to fast membership testing, we example like if checking an item is exist or not in the large data set. So in these sets we can perform also a mathematical operations like intersection, union, like that. Okay, so he in these sets we have the some multiple methods as there. So that's the first one is the add, and then next one is the clear, copy, difference, and then next difference update, discard, and dot intersection. So then next intersection update also is there. And is disjoint. Then next method is subset. Then like is superset. Then next pop, remove, Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference update. Union. Update. Clear. Yeah, these are the methods in the sets. Okay, so here firstly add. So add, it adds the elements to the set. Okay, adds the elements to the set. Okay, so then here it will creates the it clear means it will remove all elements from the sets. Okay, it removes all elements from the set. Then next one is the copy. It returns a shallow copy of the set. Okay, it returns a shallow copy of the sets, and then next difference means it returns the elements in the set A but not in the set B. It returns elements in set A but not in set B. Then next one is the difference update. Okay, it remove elements of another set from this set. Sorry. Then next one is the discard, or it removes an element if present. If not found, it will gives the error. Discard. Okay. Mm, means it removes the element if present. No error will leave. Okay. Not found. Then next one is the intersection. It returns the common elements of the sets. Okay. It returns the common elements of the sets. Then next intersection update. So it means it keeps only the common elements. Keeps only the common elements. And then next one is the is disjoint. It returns the true or false. Okay. Is disjoint, it returns true if sets have the no common elements. Otherwise, it will comes the false. So it this output will comes the only boolean values. Okay. So it returns the Oh, if sets have no common. So the next one is the is subset. It returns the true if set A is subset of the B. Okay. It returns. Next is superset. It returns true if set A is superset of B. Like okay. So reverse of the subset. Then next one is the pop. So pop means it removes and returns a random element because of sets does not have the order. So it removes and returns the random element. The next one is the remove. So it removes an element. If element is not found, it raises the error. Okay. It raises the error if elements not. Then next one is the symmetric different. It returns the elements in either set but not in the both. Okay. So like it returns the elements in either set but not in the both. Then next is symmetric update. It updates the set with the symmetric difference. Next one is the unit. It returns all the unique elements from the both sets. It returns all unique elements from both elements. So and next last one is the update. It adds the elements from another set or iterable. Okay. So it adds the elements from another sets. Okay. So these are the methods. So one by one, here we show the examples. Okay. Now we can open the Python. Here first we can take the method add. Okay, we can take one variable name fruits and insets we can write apple, banana. Add. So here we can take the fruits variable name and here in sets have the two elements apple and banana. Then next here we are adding the element fruits dot add mango. So this is the syntax of dot add element. So to add a single element into the set. Okay. So the now the set has the three elements like apple, banana, and mango. So order may be vary because the sets are the unordered. So now we can run the program. Okay. Mango, apple, banana. Okay. Actually, in list and tuple, we add the element here. This element will be the stored in the last of the list or tuple. But this is the unordered list. This is the unordered, so you can add the added the here. Okay. Then now again we can run the program. See here, banana, apple, mango. So order may be varied because of sets are the unordered. Okay. So at the same time, this sets is not allows the duplicates. It's as an unique element. So if suppose here we can add the again second time apple. If you try to add a duplicate, it will be ignored. Okay. So then you can see the output apple banana. So duplicates are the ignored here. Okay. Then next one is a clear. It removes all elements from the sets. So next one is the clear. You can see the example here, right? Okay. So here initially we can create the one variable fruits and it contains the set. It contains the three elements apple, banana, and mango. So after that next line we write the that variable name dot clear. So fruits dot if the dot clear it methods is it removes the all elements from the set. So after this the set becomes the empty. Okay. So now we print the print fruits. So Here fruits is the empty set, so we can claim the output like this. Okay, or set of like okay. So here set of or this one also a set or this will the set. Both are sets. Okay. So dot clear it does not delete the set itself. Only it removes the it contents only. Okay. The here the variable fruits is still exists, but it now holds the empty set only. Okay. Then next one is the copy new fruits equals to fruits dot copy. Okay. Here we can print the new fruits. So here original set here we can take the fruits equals to apple, banana, mango. So then this set has the three elements, and then next line we can create the another variable name new fruits, and here new fruits equals to then fruits dot copy. The dot copy means it creates the shallow copy of the set. Okay, so if here we print the new fruits is a new set object, not just another name from the same set. Okay, so now here we can print the new fruits. So the output will came the same apple, banana, mango. Like okay, so both sets are the same, but they are independent. See the output. Okay, mango, banana, apple. Because then again we can write the rerun the program. Banana, apple, mango. So this is the unordered. So we can here we can changes the that index places. Okay. So here we look the apple, banana, mango in the variable is in the stores the variable first. So new fruits also here stores the variable banana, apple, mango. Both sets are look the same, but they are independent. I will show the proof. Okay. So now here we can write the fruits dot add of mm, grapes. Okay. Okay. Then here we can write the grapes. Okay. So here we add the in the fruits into the grapes, but does not affect on the new fruits. Okay. So this is the proof. They are look at the same, but they are the independently. Then next one is the difference. And here we can take the simple a equals to 1 2 3 4. And b equals to 3 4 5 6. Then here we can write the we take the variable name diff a dot difference. of p. So so here it difference means in what we tell the it returns the elements in set A but not in the set B. So only elements set A in A that are not in the B remains. Okay. So firstly, initially here we can take the two sets A and B variables, and here to assign the two sets A to assign the 1, 2, 3, 4 elements, and B to assign the 3, 4, 5, 6. Then next we can write the one here we can take the one variable name diff, and here writes the a dot difference of b. Here dot difference it returns a set containing elements that are in the a but not in the b. So it does not modify a or b, it creates a new set only. Okay. So here we can here we run this project, here we calculate this type. Okay, then a equals to like what is the 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, so here next b equals to 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay, so a difference b, the output will become same like one is there, so one is not. Okay, and then 2 3 and 4 is the yeah, 1 2 is not in the both sets, and 3 and 4 is the have the in the both sets. So we can claim the output 1 comma 2 like. Okay, so now we can run the project. The output will come the 1 comma 2. The next one is the difference update. Okay, it removes elements for of another set from the this set. Okay, so here we can get the example. Say a dot difference update of. So here we can put the A is here. A is the change, not a new set. Okay, so here first we can take the two sets A and B. Okay, so the next one is next line we can write the a dot difference update of p. It means dot difference update. It means to remove all elements of b from the a. So it changes a in the place equivalent to the like a equals to a minus b like that. Okay. So here what is the same output? Here we get the output 1 comma 2. Okay. So here dot difference update, it means it modifies the original set. Okay, no new set is the created. Then next one is the discard. Discard means it removes an element if present. Okay, if element is not exist, it tries through the no error. So here we can write the example. So, Okay, so then here we fruits dot discard of like fruits. So here we can create the original set fruits equals to apple, banana, mango. Okay, these elements is the contains. So then next we can write the fruits dot discard of banana. So dot discard of item, it removes the specified element from the set if it exists. If the element is does not exist, no, like unlike the say remove. Okay. Yeah, and then next we can here print the print fruits. So the output will came the apple, banana or banana apple. Like sorry, apple mango or mango apple. Okay. So the next one is the intersection. It returns the common elements of the sets. Okay. So
Okay, then today we'll discuss about sets.
so here we can write the example. So here we can take the variable name A and take the sets elements is the 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, then we can create another variable name B, store the result. So firstly here initially we can take the result two sets A and B, and A assigned to 1 2 3 4 and B assigned to the 3 4 5 6. So here next line we can raise the third line result equals to A dot intersection of B. A dot intersection of it returns a new set and it contains the elements that are common to the both sets. Okay, so here both sets common the elements is the 3 and 4. Okay, so the output will become the 3 comma 4. Right. Okay, in in here we can write the intersection or like and is the there. Okay, so this is the next one is the intersection update. So intersection update it keeps the only the common elements. Okay, here we can say example here we can write the A dot intersection update of B. Okay, so it is A is changed to only included elements with the B set. So firstly here we can take the two sets Okay, and then next we can write the result equals to a intersection of dot intersection update. So dot intersection update, it updates the a to contain only elements to common to the both sets. So here both common sets is also 3 and 4. So here we will claim the output same like intersection. Sorry, here we can change the original set. Okay, so here now we can claim the output 3 comma 4. Okay, so this means intersection update means it updates a set A to contain only elements are common to the both sets. Okay, then next one is disjoint. Is disjoint, it returns the true if the sets have no common elements. Okay, so here we can write the example like say one four, five, six. Print of a dot disjoint a dot is disjoint of b. Okay. So firstly here we can take the two sets and then next it checks the disjoint or not. Okay, a dot disjoint of b, it means the dot is disjoint. It checks the if two sets have no elements in the common. It and it returns the only two values, true or false boolean values. Okay, if it returns the true if there are no common elements is there. Okay, so if it returns the false if there is at least one common element is there. So now we can run the program. Here we can claim the output true because of a is has the 1 2 3 and b is has the 4 5 6. There is no common element is there. Okay, so if here we can write the comma 4 comma 7 like this. Okay, here have the both common elements 4 is the there. So the output will claim the false like. The next one is the is subset. Okay, it returns true if the set A is subset of the B like sub branch. Same like here we can take 1 comma 2. Okay, again here we can take two sets and first set is contains 1 comma 2 and set 2 is contains 1 2 3 4. So then next week here we can check the print a dot e subset of b. The a dot e subset of b, it is subset, it means it checks the whether all elements of the a and are also in the b. If it returns it's also then now here it returns the same as disjoint like it returns the boolean values true or false. If it returns true if the all elements of a are present in the b, otherwise it throw the false. So now we can run the program. Okay, true. The next one is the E superset. This is the opposite to the E subset. It returns set A is superset of B. Mm, So A dot is superset. It checks the whether all elements of B are also in the A. Okay. So it also returns the two values, true or false. If A contains every element of the B, it returns the true. Otherwise, it returns the false. Okay. The output will give the true. Then next one is the pop. It removes and returns a random elements because of it is an unorder and it does not have the index values. Okay, so now we can write the here one example on pop. Okay, so fruits, here we can take the variable name and here we can write the variable name. Sorry, elements apple mango. Okay, then here we can take the another variable name to store the which element will be the pop. So remove equals to fruits dot pop. In list or tuples, if you use the pop, it removes the last element. But in this sets, if you use the pop, it removes the random element. Okay. So then next here we can print the like here we can write the removed here we can call the removed above variable and here print like remaining set. So here we can take the original set fruits equals to three elements apple, banana and mango. So dot pop here dot pop will removes one random element from this sets. Okay, because the sets are the unordered. So it returns the remove element. So here now if here yeah, output will came the removed element apple and remaining sets banana mango or removed element banana remaining sets apple mango or removed element mango and remaining sets apple banana. Okay, so every time it will be the change. Every time we will run the program, the output will be changed. Okay, so removed element will be mango and remaining sets apple and banana. Again we will run the program. So here removed element will be apple and remaining sets is mango and banana. Okay. So the element removed can change each time you run it. Okay. Then next one is the remove. Start remove. Remove. What is the remove? it removes an elements. Okay, if elements not found, it raises the error. So here we can write the remove of banana and then into the fruits. Okay, so here again initially we can take the one set of fruits variable name and contains the apple, banana, mango, and then next dot remove, it removes the particular element. Okay, so what is the difference of between remove and discard? If you use the remove, it raises the key error if the item or element it is not present in the set. If you use the discard, it does not, nothing will be the came if the item or element is not present. Okay, so now we can run the program. See, oh, mango and apple. If you remove here grapes, it will rise through the error. Okay, key error. Okay, so in this time you can use the discard. It does not throw any error. Okay, this is the difference between remove and discard. Then next one is sorry. Then next one is the symmetric difference. So symmetric difference means it returns the elements in either set but not in the both. Like here we write the example equals to 1, 3 and b equals to the symmetric difference of b. So here we can take initially two sets A and B, and A has contains the 1, 2, 3, and B has contains the 3, 4, 5. So symmetric difference, it means elements are in the A or B but not in the both. Okay. So here both elements is has the 3. So the output will came the 1, 2, 4, 5 like that. Okay. So now we run the program. See the 1, 2, 4. Then next one is the symmetric difference update. Okay. Symmetric difference update. So symmetric difference update means it updates the sets with the symmetric difference. Okay. So here we explain. Firstly, we can take the two sets A and B, and it contains the 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4, 5. A dot symmetric difference update, it means the It means to update A set with the elements that are in A or B but not in the both. Okay, so the here A will be the update without both in the sets. Okay, so A will be update like 1 2 same, like 4 5 same as a symmet different. Here, see the example. Okay, so what is what is the difference between symmetric difference and symmetric difference update? Means cement, if you use the symmetric difference, it returns the new set. Okay, so if you use the symmetric difference update, it updates the only existing set. So the next one is the union. So here union, it returns all unique elements from the both sets. Okay. So here we can write the mm, A equals to like 100 200, and B equals to like 200 comma 300, and then next will be C equals to like 400. Okay. So here we can write the print of A union B union C. Okay. This pipeline is the operator to the union. So union means it returns all the unique elements from the both sets. Okay. So here we can take three sets A, B, C, and 100, 200, 200, 300, and 400 will take, and union operator will use the print of A union B union C. So it means it combines the all unique elements from these sets. So all the unique elements means here 100, 200, 200 is already there. So then next 300, then next 400. So the output will become the 100, 200, 300, and 400. Okay. So the mainly dot union, it purpose, it returns the new it returns a new set containing all elements, all unique elements from the both. Okay, both sets. So it removes duplicates all automatically. So here we see the output 100, 200, 300, and 400. Okay. Then next one is the last one, update. So update means it adds the elements from the another sets. Same like here we can take the one example, A equals to, and then B equals to, and next here we can write the I update of B. Of A. So here all unique elements from B are added to the. So first here we can take the initially two sets A and B, and contains the A contains the 1 2 3 and B contains the 3 4 5. So here we use the update operator. So update operator, uh, it runs the add all unique elements of B to the A. So it changes the a in the place, does not return the new set. Okay, so the result will be came the 1 2 3, and here we can 3 already is there, so 4 5 the here we can print the a, because uh, here we can came the output 1 2 3 4 5. So this one also a does not create the another set. Here we can update the already existing set. Okay, this is the update. The next one. Okay, completed. Okay, so these are all the methods in the sets. Okay, so sets is a firstly mainly this is a mutable values in a single variable. Multiple value, it stores the multiple values in a single variable. Okay, then next one, second point is the it is an unordered, because of it has not fixed the index or position or whatever it. Okay, and it contains the unique elements only, so it does not allow the duplicates. Okay, so it is a mutable, you can add or remove or elements whatever it. Okay, and sets are represented as the curly brackets are this or this one set of these two, it represented as the sets. Okay, so is there any doubts? If you have any doubts, please ask me. I'll wait for 2 minutes.